The Hours of Joanna I of Castile. The Book of Hours of a Spanish Queen. It was created by Gerald Horbelt, the finest Flemish miniaturist of the 16th century, and Sanders Benning and his workshop. Today, it is preserved at the British Library in London. It consists of 482 pages measuring 237 by 163 mm, with 75 full-page miniatures. All folios are adorned with a wide variety of borders featuring flowers, animals, and strings of pearls. Its sumptuousness and references to St. John the Baptist, St. John the Evangelist, St. Ildefonso, and St. Isidore point to Joanna I of Castile as its commissioner. Joanna was the Queen of Castile from 1504 to 1555 and of Aragon and Navarre from 1516 to 1555, although she ceased to exercise any effective power from 1506 onwards and went down in history as Joanna the Mad. The images are characterized by their three-dimensional realism and great sophistication, especially evident in those illustrating the Passion cycle. This manuscript is also known as the Rothschild Prayer Book in London. The Rothschild Prayer Book, which shares authors and has an extraordinarily similar composition, was auctioned at Christie's on July 8, 1999, for £8,580,000. The emotional intensity expressed in the faces, the vividness and realism of the illuminated scenes make this codex one of the most impressive works of Flemish art. The 432-page full-color commentary book accompanying this edition is the most comprehensive study of the manuscript and was authored by Carlos Miranda, Doctor of History. Moleiro editor offers this first, unique and unrepeatable edition limited to 987 copies numbered and certified by Notary Public.